Here's a new old-fashioned way to get into the Christmas spirit. The founder and CEO of Zirkova Vodka, Katherine Vellinga, joins us with some do-it-yourself gift ideas and ways to host a do-it-yourself virtual party. Hello, lovely to see you again.
Hi, Annette. Good morning to you. It's so wonderful to see you.
So you're going to be talking about vodka infusions, and this is so timely because I was talking with a friend of mine yesterday. She's making her own infusions this year.
Well, Annette, that's what we've been doing all season long. I mean, it started in March up until now, and it's such an easy do-it-yourself thing. I want to take all of the mystique out of it. It's just about taking your favorite flavors, putting them with vodka, cutting up fruits or whatever you love, and storing them for 3-4 days. Some infusions take 3 weeks. And so what we're going to do is we're playing today with holiday infusions. And Annette, I've got the prepared ones here. We've got a lovely candy cane infusion. I have a white chocolate liqueur infusion.
Ooh.
I have a little chocolate mint. And we've got a vanilla infusion we're working on that still. And I just want to show you how easy this is. So for your white chocolate liqueur, I literally took 1 cup of Zirkova 1, and then I melted white chocolate. So you can see the white chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate, whatever you love. And I just shook it. That's it. That's your white chocolate infusion.
Really?
No need to go out and buy all kinds of liqueurs, spend $30 on 4 different liqueurs for 1 drink. That's what we're using today. And then for my candy cane infusion, I've taken candy canes, put them into a jar, broken them up a little bit. I added Zirkova together. I wanted to bring out the flavors. And look at how beautiful that looks.
So how long did that take to get to that beauty?
Honestly, a couple of days.
Really?
A couple
Okay.
of days. If you want it to be clear, you can strain it through cheesecloth. And what we're doing with the candy cane martini, so think of it as anything you would use, peppermint schnapps, creme de menthe, you can use your candy cane infused Zirkova with.
Okay.
So I'm taking 1 part of the candy cane Zirkova. I'm taking 1 part of the white chocolate liqueur, which is just so beautiful. It's thick, and I'm shaking. Ooh.
That's a hard part always, right? Not getting it over your dress.
Exactly. And now I've taken 2 parts, so 2 to 3 parts of half and half, or you can use cashew milk, and I'm just giving that a stir. See how easy this is?
So when you make the infusions, did you have to heat up anything, or besides melting the chocolate?
I literally went and bought bulk chocolate chips. I heated them up. You can do it softly on melt in the microwave. And the key is you take your 1 cup of Zirkova 1, and then you put it into the melted liquid into the cup.
Okay.
Into the bottle.
That easy.
And then you shake. Don't do the opposite. Don't melt it first and then add the vodka. It won't work.
Okay.
So here we go. So this is your candy cane martini.
Oh, I wish I could take it virtually from you.
I wish you could try it. It's gorgeous. It's pepperminty. It's Christmassy. And for those, you can just garnish it with a candy cane. You can have the little broken up candy cane there. For those that love the cranberry, you can make it with 3 parts cranberry and 1 part your candy cane infused Zirkova. And that's what we've got for Christmas. It's fun, it's festive, you can share it with friends.
Well, because you could send the jars that you've already made, right? You could send the gifts to them ahead of time and then share them virtually on a Zoom call or whatever and prepare them. And that's just delicious ideas and really, really fast and easy to do. Great to see you again. Na zdrowie to you.
Na zdrowie, Annette. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your 2020. And to all the viewers, just enjoy the holidays. Press those loved ones close.